Hello friends, today we are studying a topic that is a mix of polity, history, and geography. It is a full combo pack for UPSC and all competitive exams. Our topic is the Constitutional Atlas. In simple words, we will learn how India's map was formed, how new states were created, what powers Parliament has, and why India is called a union. After this lecture, you will not see the map as only geography. You will see it as a living constitutional document. Let us start with Article 1. India is described as Union of States, not Federation of States. This wording was chosen carefully by the makers of the Constitution. In countries like the United States, states came together and formed the Federation. But in India, first the nation was formed, then states were arranged inside it. That is why India is called Indestructible Union of Destructible States, meaning India cannot break, but state boundaries can change. For example, Uttar Pradesh was divided, and Uttarakhand was created. Bihar was divided, and Jharkhand was created. But no state can say, I am now a separate country. That is not allowed. Exam point. India is quasi-federal with unitary features. Remember the exact term used in Constitution, Union of States, administrative convenience. Now understand sovereignty. Union territories are directly controlled by the center. States have powers, but these powers come from the Constitution. They are not independent sovereign countries. This means sovereignty is finally with the Union of India. Very important exam point. Indian states do not have original sovereignty. This is a favorite exam topic. Article 2. Parliament can admit or establish new states. This usually relates to territories coming from outside. Article 3. Parliament can create new states, change boundaries, change area, change names. This is the most important article for map changes. Examples. Andhra Pradesh divided and Telangana created. Orissa renamed Odisha. Madras renamed Tamil Nadu. Easy memory trick. Article 2 equals outside entry. Article 3 equals inside editing. Now let us understand the process. Step 1. A bill is introduced in Parliament. Step 2. President sends it to the concerned state legislature for opinion. Important point. State consent is not compulsory. Only opinion is asked. Permission is not required. This is a common exam trick. Step 3. Parliament passes the bill by simple majority. Step 4. President gives assent. Done. Usually no constitutional amendment is needed, because Article 4 allows related changes. There are 3 levels of territorial change. Low level, minor internal changes. Medium level, state disputes or reorganizations. High level, transfer of land to another country. Example, Berubari case, 1960. Supreme Court said, foreign territory transfer needs constitutional amendment. That is why India-Bangladesh land boundary settlement needed amendment. Exam point. Internal reorganization may not need amendment. Foreign territory transfer needs amendment. This is a very interesting idea. The union is permanent. States are flexible. Think like this. The house is permanent. Rooms inside can be redesigned. India remains one nation, but states can be divided, merged, renamed, or reorganized. In 1950, India's map was very complex. British provinces were separate. Princely states were separate. Many small regions had different systems. More than 500 princely states had to be integrated. Credit goes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel VP Menon. If they had not done this work, maybe today traveling across India would need many visas. At first, states were divided into 4 categories. Part A states, former British provinces. Part B states, large princely states. Part C states, chief commissioner provinces. Part D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This arrangement was temporary. People demanded states based on language. Important milestones. Dhar Commission, 1948 JVP Committee Padi Sriramulu Movement Andhra State created in 1953. This became a turning point, very important for exams. Padi Sriramulu fast led to creation of Andhra State. The biggest reform came in 1956. States Reorganisation Act, 1956. Also connected with the 7th Constitutional Amendment. States were reorganized mainly on linguistic basis. Result, 14 states, 6 union territories. This created the base of modern India's map. Map changes continued. Bombay state divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat in 1960. Nagaland became a state in 1963. Punjab was reorganized in 1966, creating Haryana and Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh later got statehood. Northeast also saw new states. So Parliament kept updating the map. Further important changes. Sikkim became part of India, and later a state in 1975. Mizoram became a state. Arunachal Pradesh became a state. Goa became a state. In 2000, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand were created. In 2014, Telangana was created. India's map keeps evolving like a software update. Current structure of India: 28 states and 8 union territories. Important recent changes: 2019, Jammu and Kashmir reorganized. Ladakh became a union territory. 2020, Dadra and Nagar Haveli merged with Daman and Diu. Exam fact: remember carefully, 28 states, 8 UTs. The biggest lesson is this: India's map is not fixed forever. It is a flexible administrative design. The Constitution gives this flexibility so that national unity remains strong, administration becomes easier, regional demands can be handled peacefully. That is why India's map is called a living document, a breathing map.